Greetings, we are Glue Water Team and we are so happy to participate in the Babson Collaborative Student Challenge 2020. We are conformed by 3 engineering students, Sabrina, Daniel and I, Mariana. Now we will start with the presentation of our project for the Babson Collaborative Student Challenge 2020. Urgent action is needed to ensure that current material needs don't lead to the over-extraction of resources or to the degradation of environmental resources, and should include policies that improve resource efficiency, reduce waste, and mainstream sustainability practices across all sectors of the economy.
Our business concept is to provide a service of potable water by a subscription model, with an innovative refill process that redefines the experience of consuming water. This service is composed by 4 key elements. First, the service. This service grants access to the system by a subscription present in a series of categories. The basic one lets you consume 60 liters of water each month. Second, the infrastructure. By a series of water IoT dispensers distributed in public places. Third, the product. A smart bottle made reusable and with connectivity with the dispensers. And last, the application. A mobile application that lets the customer manage its account and visualize useful information. The fundamental idea is to use the smart bottle to reduce the use of plastic bottles and to grant the user an affordable source of water. These smart bottles refills when placed in the dispensers. All the process is done automatically based in configurations previously saved in the system. The site of the applications lets the user visualize its water consumption, localize dispensers, manage payments, access health statistics, manage water refill configurations, among other functionalities. The value proposition is the experience of refilling water through the combination of the smart bottle and an intelligent system that presents additional benefits. Our bottle is made reusable and durable. It also identifies its proprietary like if it was an ID card, so the system is capable to store data of interest in a secure and efficient way. The design and material of the container is centered in reducing its carbon impact, presenting a sustainable consumption pattern, minimizing the production of waste.
¿Tú ya llevaste microcontroladores, Daniel?
Ya.
¿Ya? Ah, pues con razón ya tienes más o menos cómo hacer eso, ¿no?
Bueno, pero lo vimos más en sistemas digitales avanzados, en micro no es tanto.
Ya. ¿Qué me faltan? Microcontroladores.
¿A la ya que sigue?
Sí. Microcontroladores y después sigue domótica. ¿Tú vas a llevar domótica o ya no llevas domótica?
No, ya no llevo. Glue has a strong market. Well, everyone needs to drink water, but the main market is located in countries where you can drink water from the tap. Nevertheless, the concept is also scalable to other places by the additional benefits of the proposal. The main target are eco-friendly generations. From surveys, we discovered young people aged range 18 to 24 have a strong awareness of the environment. Furthermore, our concept is also adaptable to groups of people, offering special plans for hotels, institutions, schools, among other examples. In Glue, we sell a service, so our revenue model is based in a subscription. This subscription is offered in many plans. The main one focuses in an individual user and is presented by a monthly schema. There are also options available for groups of people. A secondary income comes from the smart bottle sales.
By 2050, it is expected that at least 25% of the world's population will live in a country affected by shortage of fresh water. Our goal is to distribute water in an accessible, technological, viable, and ecological way. Pollution is a global issue. UN gives a margin of 10 years to start taking action before an irreversible impact. PET is a major problem. With this project, we will reduce in a considerable amount the contamination within the production of plastic bottles and the associated damage related to its life cycle. It's important to mention that the recycling process of PET bottles involves greenhouse gases emissions too. Furthermore, the problem increases because most bottles are recycled and they end polluting oceans and ecosystems in the form of trash. All these problems align with goal number 6, clean water and sanitation, and goal number 12, responsible consumption, but also impact some other goals like sustainable cities, life below water, and climate action. In addition, the solution also means an affordable sources of water, decreasing dramatically the expense for drinkable water in some countries. If we compare the quantities that one should spend for the same amount of water in the classical boy of the PET bottles presentation.
The first action that was carried out was a video simulating the functionality of our idea. Then, a landing page was created to identify the desirability. An application was created and synchronized with a functional prototype. We made a functional prototype that simulated a service and we received positive feedback and desirability in the Mexican market. We present this prototype in events such as hackathon, entrepreneurship fairs, and programs proposed by our local government. At the same time, we can create interviews, presentation, and development in our university with support of teachers, professionals, researchers, and consultants in multidisciplinary areas. All the strategy and innovative process we developed was guided by the design thinking methodology. The team is made of 3 students. Sabrina Rivera is an industrial engineering student with experience in application of lean manufacturing. Is certified with Green Belt. Her main skills are problem solving, training in project management, and capacity to communicate and interrelate with others. Daniel Rodriguez is an informatic technology student, has knowledge in web application development, IT projects management, basis of electronic information, security, networks, and databases. And Mariana Rodriguez, that is an industrial engineer that has experience in project management. The certification that Mariana has are Yellow and Green Belt certification and Excel, among others. also come with sales experience and has facility to talk in public places. The resources with the accounts are supported professionals, teachers, research, consultants, and experts in multidisciplinary areas. The next steps of Blue. We plan to begin operation in closed environments, like hotels. This is proposed to validate a functionality, and we propose to make adjustments in base of the feedback. The final goal is to develop a station across the city. In the future, we would like to experiment with other technologies to obtain water in different ways. The main task is to get invest and make continuous world plan.